Hi there, my name is Harman and I am an AI data scientist in Python. And for this video, we are going to discuss how you can start learning a valuable skill with your studies. Because we all know that studies play a big role in not learning our valuable skills in an early age. So I am a young man. I am 19 years old. I am struggling to get admission in my university. Not very much struggling. I just applied and hopefully I will get admission. I learned my skills in my first year and second year within the 2 years of my early education, and now I'm working on some remote projects, some worldwide projects. Like I have clients from Malaysia, Canada. In this video I will not discuss my background or my journey. I will discuss how you can start learning a valuable skill along with your studies of whatever it can be. It can be university, it can be your higher education in school or college or something like that. Okay, so first of all, start learning a skill, whatever it is, and be consistent. Don't do this. I will do my learning half hour today and 1 hour tomorrow and no learning day after tomorrow. No, you have to do every day, and you don't have to be specifically increase the hours. You can regularly do half hour, half hour, half hour, half hour. Now half hour seems to be a short time, right? No, it is not a short time. It is actually a very long time. Half hour, 30 minutes, these are enough to start learning a skill. Or even if you think that I will not be consistent with 30 minutes, you can start learning with like 20 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day. At least start doing it. And when you will start learning with the speed of 10 minutes per day, you will automatically increase the time, because as you sit, you open your laptop, open a website, 10 minutes will get out and you will have to increase that time. So that automatically it will shift to 30 minutes within a day or two. So start learning something. What is that thing? That thing can be Python, that thing can be HTML, that thing can be Java, and so on. There are many other languages, but I suggest Python, because in Python in future you can learn the machine learning or AI related stuff, which will be very demanding when you as a student get to your professional life, or whatever it is, whatever you are. When you get to your professional life, the AI will be more even modern, and it will be more evolutionized, and yeah, you have to learn things in a better way. So start learning Python, or what kind of the software, what kind of learning resource you can have. So I have 4 valuable learning resources for you. First one is Edge or Edube, which is Python official institute. And then we have DataCamp, which is like a very good institute for learning the machine learning and data science related stuff. Then we have W3 Schools, which is again a good platform but not very much recommended. Then Geeks for Geeks, which is again a good but not very recommended platform. Other than that, we all have YouTube. You can learn good from YouTube. Okay, so you have to start learning something, because as you complete your university education, you will have to find a job. If you have skill but if you don't have degree, it will still be meaningful. But if you have degree, you don't have skill, it will be meaningful in some cases, and in some cases it will be not, because some good organizations, they don't require a certificate, they don't require a degree, they require skill. They take tests, they take quizzes, and then they give job in their organization. So yes, that's the point. You have to start learning something.